I invite you each day to breathe into your body, to remember these teachings that I've offered you in this series, and to begin to feel that innate aliveness that wants to move through you, allowing space for the essence of man or the essence of woman that you are to have full expression into the world. The longing for something more, the desire for a different life, comes from you. That comes from your potential wanting to be expressed, wanting to be inhabited, wanting to be shared into the world. Tantra can provide you with a foundation of knowing sexual energy as fuel for your life. It opens up the possibility of living your masculine and feminine energies more fully, of truly feeling fulfillment from the inside of yourself. And in that, Tantra can create a transformation, because as your inner world changes, then your outer world changes. There's huge possibilities for transformation through tantric experiences. I've felt this in my own life. As you all know from what I shared in the first video, I was a chartered accountant, and now I'm here creating these programs for you. And I've watched hundreds and thousands of other people change through this work. So what you're longing for, it's right there. It's in your breath, it's in your movement. It has the possibility of awakening in you each and every day. If you'd like further support on this journey, have a look around our website. There's a range of online courses, workshops, retreats, training programs available for you. If you're wondering where's the best place to start, then I strongly encourage you to have a look at Blossoming Woman Level 1 or Being Man Level 1. These Level 1 programs for men and women have specifically been designed to take you on a 2-day journey so that you can free yourself up from the past conditioning, begin to live more strongly in your body, and have a new way of moving forward in your life, a new way of expressing the beautiful, incredible, blossoming woman that you are, to have a new way of being connected, alive and present to the potent man that you are. It's been a pleasure to share this series with you, and I hope to meet you face to face one day.